Hi, Professor. I am having a lot of trouble with publishing my website. I've had to do this like 3 or 4 times. I thought it saved and it didn't. So I just wanted to show that I did it, and hopefully I can maybe figure out how to publish it. But I thought I would just walk you through it, turn it in, and then yeah, I'm sorry. I don't know why it's not publishing for me or saving any of my work. But so this is the front of my website. So just goes like this. I'll go kind of slowly. Just Molly Witzman, PE teacher. Thank you for visiting my site. I hope from it you can learn my love for health and my encouragement to be a PE teacher in fall of 2021. So that's just the front. And then when you click on About, it just takes you to a little bit more about myself. Hi there, my name is Molly Witzman. I currently live in Encinitas, California. I come from a big family. I have 3 brothers, Justin, Nick, Adam, and Abby. I love spending time at the beach, playing sports, and working out and staying healthy. I currently am receiving my teaching credential in physical education from San Diego Christian College. I attended a few colleges before graduating from San Diego Christian in 2017 with a degree in communications and a minor in psychology. I also play volleyball for SDC for the 2015-2017 seasons. After graduating college in 2017, I worked for a speed and agility gym where we trained college-bound athletes. I also coached during that time as well. In 2018, I began a sales career at a company called Bitch and Sauce. I learned a lot there, but it eventually led me to pursue my teaching credential, which I am in the process of receiving right now. My goal for teaching is to implement specific PE classes at the middle and high school level. I want students to leave class learning something new about health and fitness. My main priority is to strengthen each student's mental and physical health. So that just kind of gives a little bio, and then you go to contact. It just gives all my contact information there. And then my teaching sample, which I submitted in the assignment B. So when you just click on that, it gives my my lesson. And so I did a video on 3 different movements. I did air squats, pull-ups, push-ups, and then these steps just kind of walk you through the pull-up, the push-up, the air squat. And I hope from watching this video you can be encouraged to practice these 3 movements. So yeah, that is my website.